so we finally got the trusses in, and this is what the this is what the plywood, This is what the plywood actually sits on. That's what the floor be, and everything else run underground, electrical and all that. Master Flow, Chile. Say what's happening, Chile. He tired now. That's what happens when you get work. Gotta take a water break. We are back live. Friday Fun Day. Put down this plywood. These plywood boards down. Put the insulation down. All right. Now we got the insulation down. All right. We got the trusses. This is the old one. I have to put the new one right here. And this 2x4 is supported to the floor. See, and then we put the insulation down. Got the 2x4 right here. And then the plywood goes on top. That's pretty much it, baby. Yeah, working. Footage. Bill Gotti. Hey, who? Glue. Right here. Almost done with the flow. Putting the plywood down right now. These boys down here doing the cuts. Left it. All right, well, it's the final product. Got the floors down. Still got the drywall up. Still got a mud and texture. Gotta redo it. All drywall up. And then we're gonna put the baseboards on. 70. Yep, got the floors down. And just gotta put up the trim. And that'll be it for this one project. And then next one is working on the house. Permit should be back in a few days, and we could finally go ahead and get that one all the way started. All we did was just knock down the trees. And let me know if y'all want me to do how-to tutorial videos on some of the stuff. You know, I know a lot of people be interested in doing their own like renovations in their house, or they even start working for yourself. But yeah, I guess just let me know if y'all want to see videos like that. But yeah, and then I guess they're gonna have a floor guys come in. They're gonna put down the floor, and then tile, and then put the toilet and all that back together. And then this is where the vanity was. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, see y'all next day. Out here finishing up the rest of the land. Clearing land. Got the steel toes on today, baby. So we should be done today. Tone on there on the bob. We got to put all the stuff in the roll off right there. Truck. Line it up, line it up. What's the next one, Jack? got them oil riggers on. Oil riggers. Gotta get the oil riggers. Basically done. Well, finished ripping up all the roots and stuff back here. So now we got open land. Just gotta, once we get this cleared out, we're supposed to be coming to pick that up right there, the little dumpster. Once we get that cleared out, then we can knock these trees down right here. And then right now, he's rough grading. When you rough grade, you basically just flatten the dirt out to get it prepped for the foundation. But yeah, that's basically it. It's coming along good. Coming along good. They're gonna have a pretty big yard right there. So yeah. But yeah, it's been focus on doing pretty good. Name in right there. Rough grading with the Bobcat. Basically, you want all this flat, or as flat as possible. And you do it right there with that Bobcat, just like that.